Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a quick project share for you today. This is basically a recap from Sunday Live with the Misfits, Ebony and myself. And this I made using my Cricut design space. And you guys, this whole live this past Sunday was such a ordeal for me. My printer ran out of ink. My Cricut didn't want to connect. And yeah, piecing this little girl right here together took like so much effort. So this is what I created. It's a little mini album. I did use Adriana's Halloween collection. This is the Noche de Bruja Halloween collection in her coffee shop. And I used some black cardstock, her background paper, and some foil paper from my stash. These are little Dollar Tree discs, and they sort of kind of work, but yeah, they work. This whole thing here, major headache, but lesson learned, you know. There's other ways. If I had ink, I would have made this top layer print and cut, but I didn't have ink, so I had to do the whole paper piecing. This is also paper, again, from Adriana's collection. Just a little mini album. Hopefully I can decorate this and create little, you know, tuck spots or photo options, stuff like that. So these are all of her papers. And then the back, I just have this lavender cardstock. So yeah, just, you know, once I get my ink, I could get more ephemera pieces and add to my mini album. I do have a little bit of glue here, so I just want to clean that glue mess up. You know, it's hard to get the glue off foil paper. Sometimes it just gets worse the more you try to take it off. But yeah, that's what she looks like. I also have these two ephemera pieces that I made early on when I first got her collection. Maybe I'll put it up there. I don't know, maybe. Or maybe on this side, like they were saying on the live. You guys. It has been a journey, okay? Let's just say that. And then this little boo here, I want to add, this is from her, part of her collection. I just flattened it and added an offset on my Cricut design space, and that's exactly how I made all the pieces for this mini album. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Really quickly wanted to share all that good stuff with you all. And yes, last week we had a discount for half off of the collection. Now it's at regular price, but guess what, guys? I think Monday she has a new release coming out for Halloween. So I'll leave all her links in the description box below. If you're interested, go check her out. Follow her also on Kofi. That's where she sells her digital collections. And yeah, I share it here on YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, I hope you guys pick up the collection, and don't forget to tag us, the Misfits. I would love to see what you come up with. And also Adriana, who is Ideas de Papel. Ideas de Papel. It'll be all in the description box below. So again, if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join the crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. Oh my gosh, when you see me live, it's always a heyday. So so yeah, it's always so much fun. So also I'll have Ebony, all her links in the description box below. Yeah, thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.